Welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking goat meat pepper soup. This is a goat meat. This is actually curry goat. Okay, so it's been nicely washed, and you just pour enough water to cover it. Okay, that's it. 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs or thyme, 1 tablespoon salt, spoon crushed chili, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon ground cloves, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon ground curry powder, 1 tablespoon basil. Your basil is what we call efirin in Nigeria. Okay, it's my chicken seasoning, so I need to add 1 spoon. Okay, you stir again and see if there's anything missing, which I don't think so. Stir and taste. Stir and taste. I just taste it. Yeah, my salt is good. Yeah, now we just cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens after. See you in 10 minutes. So this goat meat has been cooking for the last 10 minutes. It's now time to check it. Wow. And we'll stir it again. So just to incorporate all the ingredients on the sides. Okay. It's not yet ready, so remember I said I'm gonna add the garlic towards the end because I don't want it to lose its nutritional value, because it's fresh garlic. So now is the time to add this garlic. It's been finely chopped. And we cover it again. So this pepper soup has been cooking for the last 30 minutes. Let me just say 30 minutes overall. Yeah. Now let's see what we got. Should be perfectly cooked now. I'm happy with this right now, so I'll just take it off the heat. Yeah. Oh, this is yummy. This is tasty. This is delicious. You cover it and let it simmer for like another 5 minutes, or let's say 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. So when it simmers, I'll now add my last secret ingredient. And what is it? It is my ta-da, fresh basil leaves. Yeah, you know, remember I added the dry one, yeah, but this is going to change everything. Okay, you'll see the look. That look is gonna change, and apart from the look, you get that aroma from fresh basil leaves, and it's very nutritious. Okay, you can Google if you want to know the nutritional value of basil, but it's very, very nutritious. Okay, time to serve the soup. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this video just like I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Adekwele's Kitchen. See you next time. Bye.